Needed a new smoke detector, and this one rather caught my eye because it's also got a carbon monoxide alarm. Not that we're at great risk of carbon monoxide because we have a balanced flue boiler which goes directly to the outside, and we don't use a gas cooker. But here it is. It's got a test and silence button. It's fitted with a 10-year battery, and it's one of these ones that's got a little switch here, so it's in off at the moment, and we can turn it to on or deactivate. So that's deactivate. Here's the base. So it fits onto the base quite simply by where are we? Yeah. Fits onto the base like that. You push it down, and then you can turn. Oh, it does turn on when you put it on the base. Okay, I'm not quite sure how that works. Not. So when you install it, it turns on automatically. I expect that's what this little bit here is for. It just pushes it across when it goes on. They supply you with screws and plugs, and combination smoke and carbon monoxide 10-year sealed battery operation user manual. It uses the manuals in English, German, French, Spanish and Italian, and the type is nice and big. It's quite easy to read. Yeah, so the light, if it's green, the power's on. If it's red, there's an alarm, and if it's yellow, there's a fault with the thing. So it's all pretty clear, and there's a twist on, twist off sign there. So if you're leaving this in a house that you're moving away from, the new owners will be able to work out how to get it off. Okay, attention. Once assembled, the device can no longer be switched off. So because I've put it on its stand, it can no longer be switched off. But you can